Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund United Airlines plane tickets in 2024. Before, of course, doing that, make sure that you're eligible for it. And of course, whether your plans have changed or you need to cancel maybe your flight, knowing how to get a refund first of all from United Airlines is very essential. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps of how to request a refund. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, requesting a refund or before requesting a refund, it's crucial to understand the United Airlines refund policy. United offers different options for refund eligibility based on the ticket type, fare rules, and also the reason for cancellation. So you will need to visit the United Airlines website or check your booking confirmation for specific details. So for me, I'll just open here this browser. For you, you can open whatever browser you want. This is Brave, of course. For you, you can open whatever you want, as we said. In this URL section, I'll just type United Airlines. So Airlines and hit the enter button. Of course, I'll just add so not now. So I'll add refund like policy, open the link. And of course, we can even go with the refund ticket. It's another link. Okay, so it's the same link. We don't need it then. So as you can see, refund policy. We need to read that first and see if you are eligible or not. So as you can see, you can use our tool to learn more about different things that you can be or you can be refunded for, or use the refund form to request a refund and check its status. So first of all, you need to select a category. So why are you refunding? As example, is this for bags, for delayed or canceled flights, international point of sale, seats, taxes, travel add-ons, whatever you want to refund. As example, maybe delayed or canceled flight. If it is the problem, as example, you may be eligible for travel credit or refund if your flight was delayed because of weather, air traffic control, or mechanical problems. If your flight is significantly delayed, you have a couple options. If you change your travel plans, we will waive any changes fees even if your trip normally wouldn't qualify. If you cancel your trip, you will receive a travel credit or refund for the part of your trip you didn't fly. And if your trip includes a connection and you've made it to the connection or the connecting city, you may ask to return to your original and receive a travel credit or refund if no other flights are available. And the amount and type of credit or refund you receive depend on the ticket and how much of it was used. And of course, this policy may vary based on your location. Learn more about policies for members of the European Union, or of course, you can read the contracts of carriage. And of course, we have here some, first of all, like general refund policy. So you can go, first of all, if you have an account, of course, basically you can just go to your account, make sure to log in into it. Once you log in, you can simply just go to your trips and cancel your trip. Then you'll be able to ask for a refund for it. As you can see, so cancel your trip reservation and start the refund process. As simple as that. And as you can see, the refund amount will vary based on situation and like depends on the ticket type, depends on why are you canceling that, depends on a lot of other things. And your refund will be credited back to your original form of payment. So if you pay with a credit card, it will get back there. If you pay with PayPal, it will get back there, and etc. And if your ticket was purchased in the last 24 hours, it may qualify for 24-hour booking policy, where you'll be able to refund the full amount, I guess, with no fees. Credit card refund will be processed within 7 business days of the request. All other refunds will be processed within 20 business days of the request. And basic economy tickets can't be charged, but can be cancelled and refunded within 24 hours of a booking as long as it's 1 week or more before your scheduled department. So let's look first of all about the 24-hour booking policy as example. So gets more flexibility when you fly with our 24-hour booking policy and no charge fees for most flights, as you can see, including award travel. So you can see like the change fees, the 24-hour policy. You can see the plan your trip or even like flying standby. So as you can see, change fees, domestically flights within the US, Puerto Rico, and US Virgin like islands, flights between US and Mexico, flights between US and Caribbean, and international flights originating in the US. If you're flying on a basic economy ticket, you can't change your flights unless you upgrade to an economy or premium cabin first. International flights that don't originate, of course, in the US can be changed, but change fees still apply. So you can see here the change fee terms and conditions. You can read them all by your own. We have the 24-hour like booking policy. As you can see, with 24 hours booking policy, you can cancel your reservation within 24 hours of buying your ticket for a full refund without paying a fee, as we said before. But there are a few rules. You must book your flight at least 1 week in advance, and you must cancel within 24 hours of the time you made your reservation. You must cancel all your flights, of course, for all passengers on the reservation. Partial cancels are not eligible for this policy. And if you have a basic economy ticket or booked your flights using Money Plus miles, you can't make changes, but you can cancel for a full refund. You can see here terms of use, of course, terms and conditions of it here. So yeah, as you can see, there are some other frequently asked questions. If you have one of them, of course, I'll just open those answers here. You can pause the video, read it all by your own. And yeah, other than that, as I said, that's all you need to do. Here, of course, from here, you can request a refund if by any chance you don't have an account, you did not create an account, you just book your uh, tickets as a guest. As you can see, if your travel like plans has changed and etc., you can simply be eligible for refund policy. This is here. Basically, they'll take you to the same page that we were before, so you can see the customer like contact customer care if you need to be reimbursed for expenses caused by delayed or canceled flights. If you have any questions or feedback, you can contact them. So to go through the refund process, you'll need to select your flights, review options, contact information, confirmation, as example. So you can insert the recipient details, as example. So document number and last time of traveler, and yeah. Here, once you enter that, as you can see, you'll be able, of course, to enter your email address, click on continue, fill up all those informations, and you will check the status and you will request a refund and you will have to wait for them until they respond to you. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.